Last week at the Deschutes County Fairgrounds, we had a successful test of our roundabout with primarily over-the-road type trucks. Today we're testing very large vehicles that would all travel with a permit and have special operating conditions. At the request of the trucking industry, we're testing two separate roundabouts, one for US 20 and Sisters and one in Region 2 at Oregon 47 and Verboort Road just outside of Forest Grove. That allows the trucking companies to bring their very large vehicles here and only make one trip because they're pretty expensive to operate. So we ran 6 trucks through today. Most of the testing was straight east-west on the highway because that's where the route the over-dimensional loads would go. We tested loads that were up to 14 feet wide and 130 feet long. Among the vehicles we tested were a pole truck that was 115 feet long for hauling things like telephone poles. We tested a manufactured home as well as some flatbeds and lowboys that were extremely long and wide. We had a survey crew come out and mark the exact dimensions of the roundabout, and then we laid out tubular markers for curbs and sandbags to simulate the truck aprons. It's okay for trucks to use the truck aprons, so what's delineated by the sandbags, to traverse around the roundabout. That's what they're designed for. Both of the trials for US 20 and Sisters and Oregon 47 and Forest Grove both worked well. None of the trucks hit the tubular markers that represent the curb lines. We'll sit down with the freight industry and go over the results of the tests and make sure they're comfortable with it, and that will allow us to take both of the roundabouts further along in the design process and eventually get them built.